How to change your account avatar in Quotex. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to change your avatar or your profile picture on Quotex, then here's how you can do it, so follow along. First of all, launch open the Quotex app or website on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, from the home page or the dashboard, go to the top left and tap on Account. Inside the Account tab, you'll see your current profile avatar or the profile icon if you haven't set avatar yet. Click on the little camera icon right above your current avatar, and this will take you to your device's camera roll. Select a picture you want to use as your profile picture from your camera roll, and after selection, click on Done. Wait for a few seconds and your profile picture will be uploaded. After it is uploaded, you can tap on Save at the bottom and you'll be able to upload your profile avatar in Quotex. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.